Grand Canyon, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Layered bands of colorful rock reveal millions of years of geologic history. Grand Canyon is unmatched in the amazing views it offers visitors from the rim. U.S. President Theodore Roosevelt visited and said, "The Grand Canyon fills me with awe. It is beyond comparison, beyond description, absolutely unparalleled throughout the wide world. Let this great wonder of nature remain as it is now. Do nothing to mar its grandeur and loveliness. You cannot improve on it. Come see it for yourself." Available on many of the guided and self-guided tours by Orange and Black. Reserve your adventure today.